So hey guys, Keith of Alaskan Dual Sport here, and I'm with my buddy Chris, and we're on our way to go pick up a couple bikes for the grandkids. So we'll see what we end up getting. So hey, we ended up meeting the guy and buying the bike, and we loaded it up. Check it out. One of two. Now we're trying to get a hold of the other guy to go get the other one. Set up like this for his truck. But yeah, it has two of them. And I like the idea how to supporting it.
So that clutch is working like a brake.
All right.
So you don't need to do the brake. We'll just go real slow. Okay.
Also, and here is one of the new motorcycles I bought for my grandson. This one is a Honda XR80, a 2002. And it seems to run pretty good. Well, they're going to be excited when they get these. Now, I'm still waiting on another guy to call me about a XR100. I was hoping to pick them both up while I was down in the North Pole, because that's where they both are, but the other guy isn't calling me back yet, so waiting on him. Let's fire this thing up and see what it sounds like. Well, it seems like it runs pretty sweet. Oh, first time taking this thing off the road. Let's see if we can pop a wheelie on this bad boy. Oh. Heck yeah. Oh man, this thing's fun on these little trails.